I run an Etsy shop and I just found out an AI tool that claims it can turn one product photo into a scroll-stopping video ad. No filming, no editing, no talking to a camera. So I tested it live on my own product and I'm going to show you exactly what it generated, including the part that actually surprised me. Hey, if you don't know me, I'm Phoebe and I run AfroTech Muse Studio as my Etsy, one of my Etsy shop, and I'm also a content creator, and one of my products is a digital coloring book called She Rises that we're going to be focusing on today. Now, like a lot of small shop owners, I know video ads convert way better than actually static images, but I don't always want to be on camera and I definitely don't have a video editing budget. So when I heard about this AI tool that actually generates full UGC style video ads from a single product photo, I had to see it actually worked. I had to test it by myself, or if it is just another overhyped tool. So let's test it. Now, so before I continue, let me show you around, guys, so that you guys can understand. This is Nextify.ai, and on your left hand side you can see we have the button for home, and then we have tools, we have templates, we have avatar, we have new project assets. Now if you click here where it says tools, you'll find that these are already created video tools. We have avatar tools as well. Okay, UGC product video, lip sync, we have them here. We have listing images, from image to listing images. We have image cloning. Okay, and also we have this viral video. You can actually play through like this and see all of them here. When you click on one, you see exactly how it looks like. If it is a product like this one, if it is a product like this one, you can see this one are viral videos that you can actually create engaging video tailored for various or maybe for viral social trends. Now, our focus here today, we're going to be, like I told you guys, we're going to be testing our own product. I already have this product that is selling and I want to test it using this. So this is She Rises. This is a coloring book for women, which is one of my best actually product that is doing well, especially for overwhelmed and women who want financial independence, and also for relaxation and also reducing anxiety among women. Now, we're going to be using that product, the cover, this cover, actually with the cover for this, to actually make a viral ad to sell this this product. Now we're going to test this we're going to test this Netflix not Netflix, Nextify, so that we can create a video that is viral and also engaging, and if possible we can still make our own avatar because we have that option. So one by one, let's start here. First, you're gonna have to open your account, and by the way, signing up, it's a very easy process. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, and then when you sign up you get I think 20 and more credits to actually start with. Okay, and even if you invite people, they're gonna reward you. So what you're gonna do, or you can already see I have some credits here now to create the video ads, because we are targeting a specific person, and so we are targeting our competitors because they are on a high rise. Remember, the product that we are selling is one of the products that are actually competitive in terms of coloring books and also in terms of the audience. But for us, we have to test this one for today to see if we're going to see the results. Okay, if it can produce something worth actually sharing. So I'm going to start here. If I click here, like I said, we have tools. We can start with new project here. You name the product, the product that you want, and then you can create. But because I just want to show you guys, you can start here. We're going to be creating something. You can start from reference. You upload up to 9 references asset, or maybe you can start from frame. Enter text, describe the scene you want to create, including the content and motion, for example, a 3D stuff. And then we can also start from image to text. So we're going to be focusing here, image text. Now I already have the image that I want, and also I'm gonna do what? I'm gonna add that image here. So I'll bring the image that actually here, the image cover here. This is the image that I want to use. So I'm going to bring it here by adding like this. I'm going to add an image. Where is the image? This one, I think so. So this is our image, and then I'm going to describe the scene. Okay. Now for the scene, the prompt that I'm going to be using, remember this prompt, you can get them on my Substack. I'm going to leave them for free. It is this one. A woman discovers she rises, coloring book for women. A 30-page printable digital coloring book for self-healing, anxiety relief, and adult coloring. Open with a relatable hook about feeling overwhelmed and actually needing a screen-free way to unwind. Show genuine surprise, discovering it as instant digital download. Highlight the empowerment themes, self-healing, affirmation, and also Afrocentric illustration. Tone warm, authentic, like talking to a friend, and with a soft call to action, link in bio, instant download. Okay, so that is what we're going to be giving it. And then we're going to be clicking here where it says generate. So let's give it a minute. It's going to take around. Invalid parameter, please check your input. Let's see. We can actually select what? Why is it saying like that? Let's see what we are not adding in. Okay, we can select the model we want. Gonna select this one. We're gonna select this 9:16. We're gonna select this one 10 minutes, and then we generate. Okay, and you can see it's gonna start generating for us here. Okay, tasks are created successfully, and as you can see, it is being generated. So let's give it a minute. Okay, let's give it a minute to see what it's gonna generate. Okay, it's gonna take around 4 minutes. Okay, after a few minutes, like 3 minutes, it has created, and let's listen to it.
Whoa. Whoa, an instant download? Perfect. And look at these illustrations, so beautiful and empowering. Finally, a screen-free way to unwind and focus on me. Grab yours now, link in bio. Whoa, an instant download? Perfect. And look at these illustrations, so beautiful and empowering. Finally, a screen-free way to unwind and focus on me. Grab yours now, link in bio. Oh, an instant
absolutely
download?
Amazing. Wow.
So beautiful.
Can you guys see? You can see it still keeps that my product, which is this one.
And look at these illustrations, so beautiful and empowering. Finally, a screen-free way to unwind and focus on me.
Super amazing.
Grab yours
Actually,
now,
for this one, I give it a tick, and absolutely, I can definitely use this one actually to save me time, as well as it has gotten everything perfectly. Okay, so that one I give it a high five. Okay, that's cool. That's so cool. Now we're gonna test another feature, which is a viral video. We see if it's gonna create a viral video for us, and then as you can see, you click here, you upload the source. We're gonna be uploading the source, which is our image as well. We're gonna be testing just to see. I'm gonna target to leave it North American and English, and then TikTok 9 to 16, and then I am gonna click here UGC and then TVC style. Okay, that's what I want. And then I'm gonna give it the end of the products go selling points here. The product selling points, it is the same way we have used the other one, so we're gonna be entering that one as well. Okay, so I'm gonna put here the same way. Okay, and then we can actually reaction, we're gonna actually select our actor here. You can select actors from here, or maybe actor library. Let me show you. You can see all these are actors. Okay, they are all of them, they are here, and they have a lot of them. Though one limitation is that I don't see any black women here or black actors here. Mostly they are whites, and for me, I want someone who is okay, we have some here. I want someone, a beautiful woman, African woman who is dark, and I'm gonna just create my own. Okay, we have that element, my avatar here. Okay, this is whereby you can create my avatar. You can describe the link. Okay, I click here. Option 1, text parameter, upload a photo. I'm gonna use the text. Okay, and then these are the ones that I had done before, but let me show you what we can do. Okay, just a minute. So I'm gonna put my prompt here for the person that I want. Already you have seen this one, but Simply, it is a deep, rich brown skin, natural fussy color, hair, cheekbones, warm expression, eyes dressed in a warm afro-lux tones like terracto and also gold. Basically, someone who looks like she could actually be a customer of mine, not a random stock model. Now, I'm using Nano Banana and also 9 by 16. And then I'm going to select the gender, which is female. And I'm going to select the age. I want that to be, let's use here 25 to 35. Region, I'm going to select Middle East. Okay, let's see this one. And then the skin, I want her to be dark. Okay, and then facial features are already added. Okay, I want her to have the glass skin because I love it. Okay, and then we're gonna click generate. Okay, let's see what it's gonna generate. We're gonna give it a minute, and as you can see, she's being generated, our own avatar. That's what we want to see, if this feature can actually create if it can actually create for us our own avatar. So let's give it a minute and see. Wow, as you can see, our avatar has been generated. I love this one. I love this one. I love all of them. Which one should I select? I'm gonna select this one. Let me actually download it. I'm gonna select this one. Okay, this one, and then we're gonna be using this one. Okay, let me just, we're gonna be using this one. Okay, so this is the avatar that we're gonna be using. Okay, select and use. I'm gonna click select and use. I've selected this one. She looks beautiful actually. So this is our avatar, or our avatar. Confirm. We're gonna confirm the use of that. This is the one, and then we're gonna generate the video number 2, which is a viral video. So let's give it a minute to see what it's gonna generate. Hopefully it's gonna generate something awesome. So after 2 minutes, I think we are being told unknown error occurred, generation failed. I don't know why. So we're gonna say, I'm not sure what happened, or maybe, so why this one are being generated or processed, because I failed more than 2 times. I'm not sure why. We're gonna test this one, video cloning. I think this is whereby you upload a video cloning. We click or we recommend uploading multiple white background images from different angles. Okay, and then it's gonna actually AI prompt selling points. Selling points are the same. Okay, and then style clone, height clone. Style clone is copies the overall style and layout, while colors and details can be. Okay, viral versions 1. Select the actor. Okay, you can select the actor because we have our own actor. Like I said, we're gonna be using her. Select and use her. Okay, upload the source image or the reference of the video. You can clone video cloning or image cloning. Okay, so depending on which one do you want. Let's try. I'm not sure if we're gonna clone the image. Let's try. Okay, I can see here one video has been created.
If you're feeling overwhelmed and just need to unplug, you need to see this. I found She Rises. It's a culling book for us. And the best part, it's a digital download. You literally print it at home instantly. These 30 pages are filled with self-healing affirmations and illustrations that actually look like us. It's so relaxing. Grab your instant download at the link in my bio. Let's heal together. If you're feeling overwhelmed and just need to unplug, you need to see this. I found She Rises. It's a culling book for us. And the best part, it's a digital download. You literally print it at home instantly. These 30 pages are filled with self-healing affirmations and illustrations that actually look like us. It's so relaxing. Grab your instant download at the link in my bio. Let's heal together.
I love this. I love this. I think this is so perfect, especially for displaying, especially the avatar. They have maintained her feature. Even the book that we are selling, this one, She Rises, it is still maintained, even though the pages are not the same, but at least you can see the point. And also for a video like this that has taken a few minutes, a few seconds actually to be generated, I think it is cool to save time. And also for a solo entrepreneur, this is so cool. Okay, especially if you are selling digital products or other products that are needed, or maybe even physical products that are needed. So I was trying to clone something here. Let me see if we're gonna achieve another result. So here, let me generate like this. Reference video cannot be empty. So we need to have a video. Okay, let me take this one. We're gonna just take this one. Where is the one that we have just generated? This one. Let's just use that one as the reference. Even though you can find a video that has performed so well and then you use it as a reference. Okay, so let's see. It is being uploaded here. As you can see, this is the video, and then we're gonna generate. Okay, let's see. Gonna start generating here. Let's give it a minute and we're gonna be actually seeing what it can do. Okay, so we have kept all these things like that, and then we have selected our avatar, and let's just see if it can generate. It's gonna get like 4 minutes. Okay,
Feeling completely burnt out and need a screen-free way to unwind? I just found the ultimate self-care hack, and I am genuinely obsessed. You get 30 beautiful, empowering pages you can print right at home. Treat yourself to some peace tonight. Link in my bio for the instant download.
that one is so cool. I love it. I love it. It has actually kept the product cover very well, and also even the packaging and also the text overlay. Amazing. Let's see this one.
If you've been feeling completely overwhelmed lately, you need this screen-free escape. I found this She Rises coloring book, and the best part, it's an instant digital download. 30 printable pages. The Afrocentric illustrations and self-healing affirmations are so empowering. It's been the perfect way to just breathe, heal, and unwind without scrolling. Trust me, you deserve a break.
love
My bio
this.
for the instant
I love
download. If you've been feeling completely overwhelmed lately, you need this screen-free escape. I found this She Rises coloring book, and the best part, it's an instant digital download. 30 printable pages. The Afrocentric illustrations and self-healing affirmations are so empowering. It's been the perfect way to just breathe, heal, and unwind without scrolling. Trust me, you deserve a break. Link in my bio for the instant download. If you are feeling completely overwhelmed, stop and listen. I was looking for a screen-free way to unwind and found the She Rises coloring book. And the best part, it's an instant digital download so you can start right away. It comes with 30 artwork, is absolutely stunning, and every single page is packed with self-healing affirmations that just make you feel empowered. Link in my bio for the instant download. You deserve it. If you are feeling completely overwhelmed, stop and listen. I was looking for a screen-free way to unwind and found the She Rises coloring book. And the best part, it's an instant digital download so you can start right away. It comes with 30 artwork, is absolutely stunning, and every single page is packed with self-healing affirmations that just make you feel empowered. Link in my bio for the instant download. You deserve it.
I love this. I love this. I really love this. So in overall, I think you guys, you need just to try this. I'll leave the link in my description. It has done an amazing job, and if you are loving this content, you want to see more content, you want me to actually test more AI tools for you guys to save time, as well as to help you in your business in terms of promotion, marketing your products, especially the ads, let me know in the comment section by actually writing prompts, and I'm gonna also give you the free prompt that I've used in this video. In overall, I love it. I love the speed. I love how it comes out perfectly, and I just love everything, how easy to navigate through. So we're gonna be doing more in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.